The Berlin Wall, the Wall of Shame, Israel-West Bank barrier, the U.S. and Mexican border, and many more walls have gone up throughout the last century, not only physically or virtually, but also spiritually. Some walls have gone up in a silent night, while others have been built on years of bloodshed and tears. Some walls, like the Berlin Wall, were built for the sole purpose to cage people, clipping their wings and restraining them from ever leaving. While other borders, like the Mexican-U.S. border, were built to push people out and discourage them from ever entering. Lastly, walls like the Great Firewall have gone up, disconnecting many from the world around them. No matter what the main intent was, each wall causes segregation and inflicts pain into humanity. 25 years ago, on November 9th, the world watched memorized as people from the West and East Berlin disassembled one of the most iconic symbols of segregation, silence, and oppression. As the Great Wall tumbled down like Goliath, people in Berlin hugged their fellow man as Germany united once again. Germany gave fragments of the wall to many countries, not only as a thanks, but also as a silent warning and reminder on how a wall can separate and crush humanity. Now, 25 years later, there are at least 10 physical walls that spread out at least 6,000 miles. The world shall await what its fate shall be. As Robert Frost once said, "Before I build a wall, I'd ask to know what I was walling in or walling out, and to whom I was like to give offense. Something there is that doesn't love a wall, that wants it down."